Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to graph transformations of trigonometric functions. So the first thing you're going to want to do is enter your trig function, your parent function, into y equals. And I did that in y1, so now I'm going to transform this. Let's say I want to have -2 times y1, or sine x, evaluated at, I don't know, x plus 1, and then -2 after that. And now I can graph that, and I get my original function in blue, and I can see where my transformed function is relative to that. If I want to, I can maybe zoom out a bit, so zoom 3. And that gives me a better indication of where my transformed function is relative to my parent function. And you can do this with sine or cosine or tangent or cosecant or secant or cotangent. I find it helps to use y1, and then I just apply transformation rules after that.